Welcome to PSRR Buddy online classes. Hello dear students, welcome to our PSRR Buddy English class. How are you all dear students? I hope you are all doing well and learning many new things from our PSRR Buddy online lessons. That's fantastic. Okay, keep watching our PSRR Buddy online lessons. Dear children, in our previous session, we have discussed about the face sheet of foodie's desert journey. Yes, now let us move on to the a reading part. I think you are eagerly waiting for this. I know. Very good, dear children. Dear children, before that, let us know what you are going to learn from this session. Okay? Okay, dear children, all of you ready with your textbooks and open your page number 16. Okay? Okay, be ready with your textbooks. That's good. Learning outcomes. By the end of this session, students will be able to listen and comprehend the story, know the meanings of new words, read and write words related to desert, answer some questions, and they will also able to write a simple conversation. Okay children, let's read the lesson now. All of you please pay attention. Okay? Okay, be ready with your textbooks. Okay dear children, let's read the lesson now. All of you please concentrate. Foodie's desert journey. In a nomadic tribe of Africa, a child was born. His name is Foodie. Ha, nice. Foodie grew up to be a lively young lad. Foodie, get off the camel. But I want to go on camel back. One day, Foodie's father was getting ready to ride into the desert. What's in the bags? Salt. On return journey, the travelers brought back millet, sugar and cloth. I wish I could go with father. Son, you will go when you are 16. As time went by, the caravan became bigger, goods better and Foodie grew older. Can I go this time, mother? Shh! Don't disturb. Father is sick.
What's wrong? He gets severe headaches sometimes. Next day, his father looked cheerful again. He was ready for another journey. I want to come with you. No, you can't. Goodbye, son. His father went away. A week later, while cleaning the tent, his mother cried, "Oh no! What happened, mother?" His mother held out the medicine pouch. Your father forgot this. So what? Don't worry. There is no one to take the medicines. Don't worry, mother, I will go. No, you will get lost. Foodie has been preparing in secret to go on camelback. Mother, I have this map and wheel. But all the camels have gone with the caravan.
Okay dear children, now let us know the new words and their meanings. All of you please observe it. Now look here. Tribe, family, a group of people. Example, foodie born in a nomadic tribe of Africa. Tribe picture. Caravan. A group of people traveling together in a desert. See this caravan picture. Severe, harsh or strict. Example, foodie's father suffered with a severe headache. Pouch, a small bag. See this pouch bag. Example, foodie's father forgot his medicine pouch. Cheerful, happy, joyful. Example, his face was cheerful and he turned to me. Okay children, let's write the summary of the story today's session. Foodie was born in a nomadic tribe of Africa. Foodie's father was the leader of the tribe. Then Foodie always wanted to go on camelback like his father. Did his mother agree for this? No. Foodie's mother did not allow him to go on camelback like his father. Then how did Foodie get this chance to go on camelback? Yeah, Foodie's father was suffering from blinding headaches. He forgot to take medicine pouch along with him. Foodie's mother found it a week after the caravans leaving the place. Yeah, she was very much worrying. There no one to take the pouch and give it to Foodie's father. Here, see. Yeah. Foodie, who was waiting for such a chance, told his mother that he would take the pouch and give it to his father. Okay children, this is the summary of today's session. Answer the following questions. What did Foodie always want to do? Come on children, think about it. What did Foodie always? Yeah, Foodie always wanted to go along with his father. He wanted to go on camelback like his father. Then second question. How did Foodie get a chance to go on camelback? Come on, think about it. Yes, yeah, very good. Foodie father was suffering from blinding headaches. He forgot to take the medicine pouch along with him. Foodie's mother found it a week after the caravans leaving the place. Foodie, who was waiting for such a chance, told his mother that he would take the pouch and give it to his father. Thus, Foodie got a chance to go on a camelback. Yeah, children, these are the questions that we have in our textbook. Let's move on to the textbook exercise. All of you, look here. Here is one textual exercise for you. Foodie was born in a nomadic tribe of Africa. He lived in a desert. Write all the words, phrases related to the deserts from the story. Quicksand. Here is one given for us. Come on, think about it. What are the related words to desert? What? Yeah, camel. Very good. Come on, next. Yes. Yeah, caravan. Very good. Come on, go on. Yes, oasis. This is the water resource in. Next, hot winds. Nice. Tents. Good. Come on, children. Yeah, goat skin map. Very good. Finally, whale. That's good, children. Okay, children, this is our today's session. Yeah. Hope to see you in the next session. Take care. Bye. Bye, children. All the best. This is yours, Srinivas Reddy. Thank you all.